Daurmanasya, Angamejayatva, Shvasaprashvasah, Vikshepa, Sahabhuvah. Namaste everyone, welcome to the Yoga Sutra number 1.31. What this sutra says is, apart from the 9 antarayas that we saw in the previous sutra, these are the 4 main pain-causing disturbances. What are they? 1. Dukha. Any sort of pain makes us get distracted, displeases us, discomforts us, and takes us away from our ultimate goal, which is self-realization, liberation, moksha. The second one is Daurmanasya, which is the mental pain, either self-inflicted or inflicted by what's happening outside. Like for example, Corona happened. It was nothing to do with what we personally did. Of course, it's got to do with what we, conscience as a whole, did and brought this upon us, but that's a different thing. But some things are not in our hands alone. And the third way of inflicting pain upon self is Adhidaivika, which is, it's written. That is what you're supposed to go through. So these 3 causes of pain, which is Adhyatmika, self-inflicted. So something wrong has happened in your past, you'll keep thinking about it again and again and inflict yourselves in the pain. This is called self-inflicted pain. The second one we saw is the Adhibhautika, something that's happening around you. Maybe there's a war, maybe there's a disease, there's a pandemic, and you suffer because of that. And the third one is the Adhidaivika, something that's brought upon you by fate and you can't do anything about it. So that's the second category, which is Daurmanasya, mental pain. The third one is Angamejayatva, which is shivering of the body, unsteadiness of the body. Have you noticed some people are always moving? Someone is always moving their hands, scratching their head. I know someone very close to me in my family, amongst my relatives, who has this habit of shaking his leg. It's like you sit, you're talking, and he is constantly shaking his leg. That is how unsteady the body is. And that causes unsteadiness of the mind. And you know what an unsteady mind does is causes more pain. To be steady means to have more clarity. To be steady means to have more peace and calm. To be steady means to be more anchored, to be able to make better decisions, to be able to offer yourselves more. So that's how important steadiness of the body is, and which is why asana practice is recommended. And now asana doesn't mean you moving from one asana to the other to the other. It's not a circus, but a genuine asana practice will be the one where there's absolute no movement. You take a posture and be in that posture. I call it marinating in that posture. Soaking yourselves in, allowing your muscles to strengthen, loosen, whatever it is, stretch, and just be there. That is why we practice the asana, so that we can steady our body. And the fourth cause of pain or the distraction that takes us away from our goal is Shvasaprashvasah, the inhale and exhale. As I teach my students in my pranayama workshop, extremely important, this pranayama practice is to steady your breath. Steadying the breath means steadying the body, and steadying the body means steadying the mind. And steady mind, you already know, means happiness, peace, tranquility, and control over your life, instead of getting washed away by every hurricane that comes your way. So these are the 4 more reasons of pain, of distraction. So let's be aware of these and take action to become better so that we are in control instead of anybody or anything else. Hope you loved listening to this sutra, which is in line with what are the distractions, what are the many impediments, what will come in our way on our path to the one. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've liked this, please leave a comment below and let me know how you're liking this series, and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you would love to be intimated about all my upcoming amazing videos only for you. Mwah! Love you very much.